Welcome back, everyone. Back in the shop, picking up where I left off from last week, working on these liner locks. What you saw me doing there was profiling pretty close to the final finish. I still left a little all the way around, so when I put the handles and bolsters, I can finish everything, clean it up real nice. Pretty much got everything done but cutting lock bars, and then I'll have to come back and tap the holes for the handles and bolsters. And I will have to finish up the back spacers. Right now I've got a blade over here in the mill about to cut the stop pin track. These are hidden stop pins, so when you're looking at the knife you can't see the stop pin, whereas you in a regular when you could see, look down in the top and see a fixed stop pin there. And just something extra, a lot of extra work is what it is. So we're going to get started on that, get these stop pin tracks cut, get these blades heat treated, and start moving on to the next step. Glad you're joining me. Let's get to it. All right, got these stainless blades heat treated and all ready to go, tempered. Now, if you remember, I drilled the pivot holes undersize, about 3/1000, 2 to 3/1000, and then I come back and ream them after heat treatment. That way I get a good clean hole there for that pivot. Don't have any scale, anything in there, because you get a little scale even with stainless. When you're using fall or whatever, there's just a little build up there. And I don't like to have that in there when I put the pivot in there. So I'm just going to come here and ream these holes to final size. All right, all right, all right. Don't you hate that? You want to hear something funny? I got to work with Matthew McConaughey in a movie called Killer Joe. Wasn't crazy about the movie. Not my kind of thing, but nevertheless, he was an all right guy. The co-star, Thomas Hayden Church, now, he was a cool guy. I got to eat lunch with him every day. Has a ranch out in Texas. Good old country boy turned actor. And anyway, show you where I'm at here. So what I did is went ahead and adjusted the back spacer. Went ahead and cut it down to where when the blade drops in, it's down below the liner. I might do a little more adjustment there, but it's pretty close because I don't want to hit the back spacer. And right now it's touching, but it's not much. And I'll also finish adjusting the stop pin track to where I get the opening I want. Right now it's not opening enough, but it is closing enough because I checked it before I put the back spacer in there. It's pretty good. So I have to do this to the other 3 stainless blades and also finish cutting the stop pin track on one more these mosaic folders. I just got off on these because I need to get these done first. So the next thing I got to do is I'm going to work on doing those tuning things there and start working on the bolsters and handle material, and then we will grind the blade and all that fun stuff. Got them all heat treated. Those are ready to go. These will still need to be heat treated. But anyway, hope you got something out of this. We'll pick back up on this next time. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you to my patrons. We'll see you on the next one.